Okay, so I was given the opportunity to go look at the Arom Jomtien condo when I was in Jomtien recently. This is a building where I purchased a condo about 3 years ago, and it's the building is pretty much complete, and they're starting to work on the interior, getting all the rooms installed, getting everything done and having the chance to go look at the one floor that they've completed, which is the 22nd floor. I'm going to go up there today. And I've got a few minutes to kill here, so I thought I'd just walk up the street and give you an idea of what things are looking like in John TM during low season. It's was a pretty cloudy day, had some rain a few times, but for the most part, the month I was there, it was pretty nice. But anyway, this is the building, and if you remember, there was a coffee shop in the end of this, and that coffee shop left, and they tore down that part of the building, and now they're rebuilding that office building where the showroom is, and going to put in a what they told me a coffee shop with a restaurant or a eating area which would be up on top, and they've put that around the top up there, so they'll have some outdoor dining. And there's the entryway to the building. And then, of course, the building it was really nice. I did want to just jump across the street and show you the improvements that have been made to the beach. Really a big change. Started restoring the beach about a year ago when I was there, and they didn't move very fast. And in the last 3 or 4 months since I was gone, they've really gone a long ways. They were probably around Soy 12 before, which was the old part of the beach where the boat dock was or the boat launch was. And now they're all the way down to about Soy 7 in restoring the beach. The beach is nice and deep. It's beautiful, and you can see here in the pictures of the beach that they've done a nice job, and the process they've got it figured out now, and it's really running really well. Of course, across the street is the sports court where they have some of the events there, and next door to the night market. And you can see the Copa versus the Arom building. I mean, here's a little better shot of the beach. Going up the beach, you can see Kolarn, of course. The ship out there is one of the sand delivery ships that is there. And the process they're using is really different. I was kind of impressed with it. It's just really going quick. So we'll start into the building and went to, I think, 4 or 5 different units. And I don't really have a lot of description other than these are the ones that they were showing the people we were with that were for sale. I know this one was a 35 square meter room, so a little bit different than mine. And this room, I believe they said the Thai quota price on it was right around 8.2 million. I don't, I didn't hear all the conversation that was going on with the potential buyers and the salesperson, but the finish is really nice. They've done a nice job on it. It felt really comfortable. This one has the 35 square meter has the slide between the bedroom and the living room versus the other one, the 33 we'll see in a minute, has the slide between the other way in the kitchen, keep the cooking smells out. Bathroom, really nice. This one has a two-door entry to the bathroom, which was kind of weird. The doors kind of hit each other, but that's what happens when you have a small space like that. Anyway, the fixtures, everything looks nice. Obviously, this building doesn't come with furniture or electronics, so that wasn't there. Hallway's nice and bright. It's wide. Some of the condo hallways aren't that way, so that was kind of nice to see that. And you can see, we were all had our hard hats on and getting in there. I think this is the same basic room as the other one. The 35 square meter had the entryway there, and wonder on just a second if there's a table or a bench here on the side for eating. But I believe this is the 35 also. Those two rooms are pretty much they're a lot alike. So it was kind of, I think we looked at three of the smaller rooms and just one two bedroom that we'll see here in a minute. But 22nd floor, so not all the way up above, but certainly a nice view and nothing in front of us from the front end here. And one of the nice things that I noticed about the building was the fact that the hallways are wide and they're really light. You know, in some condo buildings, you get those narrow hallways that are don't have much light. But the fact that there's only what 6 or 8 units on each floor makes this really nice. This was a 33 square meter unit, which is the unit I bought, and it's got the slider between the kitchen and the living area, keep the cooking smells out, and it was partially closed there. And then, of course, the room itself. A couple things that I noticed they did a nice job. They've got a couple of furniture packages that they're offering now, and this was one of them. And I think it was about 600,000 for the package they had. They couldn't give me the exact number. I'll get that eventually, but they had a couple different packages and a couple options that if you want to get the furniture there. But as far as you can also do your own, which I think is what I'll do. Because there was a couple things here I didn't really like, one of which was the fact that this end piece over here in the headboard collided, so you couldn't open the third door of the closet, which was kind of disappointing. Anyway, this was basically my same room, but on the other end of the building. So gave me a pretty good idea of what that's going to look like. And my realtor gals explaining to me about the furniture there and the fact that I could buy it from them or just do my own. I'll probably end up just doing my own with their help. The bathroom's really nice. I was impressed with the finish. I mean, pretty much everything just like the model was, which is nice that they've built it to the same quality. Because I felt like the model was a really good quality to start with. But yeah, it's 22nd floor. You can see out the window there. Pretty nice view. I think this one is one of the two bedrooms. Let's see. We'll know in just a minute when we start through here. Yeah, this is a two bedroom. So it's got a bathroom as you enter the apartment or the condo, and then the bedroom, second bedroom, small one off to the left side there. Really nice unit. Both these two bedrooms that we looked at were really nice. This one's a little bit smaller. I think it was 71 meters, and then the other one was 81. So both really nice. I would love to have that two bedroom myself, but not in the budget right now. This one had the master bedroom, the main bedroom, and you walk in, nice big closet, tucked away in the hallway there, and then you've got a shower and a bathtub inside the bathing area there, with a window to look out on the bedroom as you're taking your shower, which is kind of interesting to me. Anyway, it was kind of it's a nice setup. I was impressed with it, and this one was on the south, what I would call the south corner of the building. So, facing the ocean with the second bedroom looking out towards Jomtien. And, you know, they had it pretty well equipped. Again, furniture package. They said you could buy one from them. They would have it installed, or you can do it yourself. And I'm not sure, but I'll see what the price of that package was, get the actual price. The balcony on these are bigger. These are the forward facing ones. So it was really a nice, it felt really good, really comfortable. Floors are nice. Everything in the building just seemed like first quality. So I was impressed with that. I think they did a good job. So we did go down to the other end, what I would call the north end. I may be a little bit off in my direction, the northwest end. And that's the room that I will be occupying, and straight above this one, but like 19 floors. So that gives me a pretty good idea of what my actual setup will look like and what the view will be. and it was really, I was impressed. Again, the furniture package in this one was a little bit different than the other one. The headboards and stuff that they had in there. This gives me a pretty good idea of what it's going to look like, what my view is going to be. You can see Colarn really well, and obviously the sunset will be right over in the left side of that for most of the year. And in the summer, like right now, the sun would probably be right about mid-island. So that's it's going to be a warmer place, and obviously the building down there to the right in front is where C Spire is going, and C Spire is going to be another tower that Doucette's building, and it's going to be 40 plus stories. I can't remember what they said, 42 or 45. It'll be very similar to this building. It's a little bit further back from the road, but it's still going to be out there. And that'll probably be the last tall building built right on the beach area. I did go look at the C Spire, and I wasn't really impressed with the quality of what they're showing in the showrooms. It wasn't anything like this, but this room seemed like it was really well put together, and it's going to be really good. But you can see the new Copacabana over there, and the Grand Soleil back in the further distance there. A lot of new condos going up in Jomtien area right now. I think this is one of the nicer ones that I've looked at as far as finish and the quality of the building. We did go back downstairs, and unfortunately, my camera, for some reason, I didn't kick it off right. But the lobby was only, they had the seating area in the lobby and the entry desk where the juristic office was about all that was in there right now. They haven't really finished that yet. So it wasn't a lot to see. But I would say the what was done nicely, and it's going to be a nice building, and I think overall high quality. Everything in it seems to be really good. I'm impressed with that. So it was worth the time to go up there. I wished I would have gotten a few different video slides, but I didn't get everything that I wanted. But that's what happens when you're getting pushed. They were pushing a little bit. The buyers wanted out. So that's the story of Arom today, and I think it's coming along real well. And hopefully by first part of the year, be moving in there. And that's the first look at Arom Jomtien.